Well, folks, it is the next day after the fair, and I'm heading back because I dropped my house keys. Not just my house keys, I also had my Harley keys on there, both of which are easily replaceable, but I have this really stupid sense of I need to go find this set. I'm pretty sure I know where I dropped it. Let's go find out. Alright, we're back to the scene of the crime. Fingers crossed I find my keys. That's not a good sign about me finding my keys. That makes me worried. Pretty sure we were parked right up here. Pretty sure it was right here. This is not looking good. I know this is a long shot, but I dropped a set of keys over there yesterday.
What's that?
I dropped a set of keys over there yesterday. I know this is a long shot.
You did take the ticket booth for lost and found.
Okay. Let's go to gate 1. See if they found anything. I need to go to lost and found at gate 1.
Just keep going straight, go around that curve. Dude.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You're welcome. Well, that was a fun adventure. Off to the next one. It's one way of getting around. It's incredibly dangerous, but that's one way of getting around. Welcome, folks, Flipknot here. Today, we are gonna change Bonnie right over here from a sewing machine into a chainsaw. God damn, that was really bad. Like, Sunday motocross fucking voice. I'm an idiot. Let's try that. Today, third time's the charm, I guess. Today, we are going to put some X pipes in good old. We're going to change her from a sewing machine into a mean, lean. God damn it, that's stupid. Today, we're going to change her from a sewing machine into a chainsaw. We're going to give her some pipes. By pipes, I mean vocal range, as in, like, she'll be louder. Oh, great. I'm stuck behind a friggin' trash truck. Right on. Note to any new motorcyclists, these guys kick up a lot of shit. Stay away from them. Wawa now has Tesla chargers. That's rad. Progress. All right, folks, we're up at MTW today. We're gonna be working on my Boneville. Got my buddy Yamagang over here helping me remove this stupid piece of metal from the Boneville. What's it gonna do to it?
Gonna make it fast.
Fast is good. Like a surgeon over here. Jesus.
No, line them up.
I know what I'm doing. Dylan says that the Boneville is the hardest one to do the X pipes on because you have to do 15 extra steps.
2 extra steps.
2 extra steps. So let's get to it. Remove the tank, remove a bunch of this other stuff that I don't know what it's called. He's doing that. The moment we've all been waiting for. She hot as hell?
Maybe.
There it goes. No more. Now why we're all here. We're gonna make her sing. Go ahead. How is this equivalent to that? Look, guys, I'm helping. On the shaft.
There's a bolt for that big washer one right there. Alright, then we gotta bang the biggie.
Gotta bang a baby, what?
Gotta bang the biggie. So your frame is all back together so we can put the tank back on.
Cool. Dylan says that one of the most important parts of this whole situation is that you need to seal them when you put them back on. I guess that stuff like that happens. Hey, look, looks
Back
like,
part.
looks like I'm picking your nose. Okay, I'm clearly unprofessional. Here you go.
Tight. We did all the stuff in the rear we had to do.
All that just for that.
Clip spike looks exactly the same, but is now faster.
It's faster? Fuck yeah.
Yo.
Hey, bro.
Hey, what's up?
¿Cómo estás?
You guys done?
Yeah, are you?
No. I'm
So,
not too far away.
so we'll meet you at the Ride Factory then, is what you're saying.
Sure. Yeah.
All right.
I'm
Well.
just finishing up. I don't have that much left.
Uh huh.
All right, man.
All right. We'll be right there.
See ya.
Adios. I don't know why I do that. The intermittent Spanish. Thanks, buddy.
That works.
Let's pack up and go see Mr. Tree Surgeon. I don't know what happened to my gloves, so shut up. Well, X-pipe is on. It's got a little bass. Man, new motorcycles kind of suck sometimes because you're never supposed to like, do anything fun on them for like ever. Right now, I'm not supposed to lay into it because there's still the sealant that's hardening up. Ooh. It's got a bit more to it. Oh, you got something to say today, huh? Oh, and then oh yeah, that's a lot more. That's some. That is more power. X-pipe for the win. Ooh, yeah. Now to see what good old Mr. Tree Surgeon is up to and if he's even finished doing what he's got to do. Because, you know, good old Mr. Tree Surgeon. That's got more punch.
2,000 years later.
Ready when you are, buddy. Ooh. Ah. Alright, well, Mr. Tree Surgeon decided to take forever fixing his broken piece of shit. Now we can go have beers and pizza, finally. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, any of you ever decide to buy a new Bonneville, don't leave the dealership without putting in an X-pipe, because there's no reason to have a stock one anymore. This thing's amazing. I mean, you can leave with the stock pipe, realize that you're an idiot for about a week, then go back and just be like, huh, this is how you're supposed to work. Yeah, it's extraordinarily weird to modify something that you haven't even made your first payment on. But it is 100% worth it. Next stop, new slip-ons. Dream Center of Tampa. Is that somewhere where you can go take a nap? Do you need a membership? Because I go take naps all the time. We're gonna do motorcycle stuff? No, not motorcycle stuff this time. Most bikers add bells to their motorcycles as a good luck charm. At the fair, I found something better for Mr. Shade Tree Surgeon. Got you a present, buddy. I hope you like it.
What are you looking at?
I'll show you later.
Oh, the packages are unstrapped?
No.
What's that?
Nothing. I'll tell you later. It's a surprise. Alright, well. That's faster. That's a lot faster. That was faster. That was kind of scary fast. I don't trust you. I don't know you. That's my purse.
That's my purse! I don't know you!
El motobike, el muy rápido. I don't know if you noticed, but it's faster now.
Yeah, I bet.
I got a little scared.
It does sound a lot better, too.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Flipknot channel. I'm out of gas as usual. This guy's like, I think I know who that is. I think that's Mr. Shade Tree Surgeon. I'm gonna get up there and take a closer look. Oh my god, this guy's totally listening to Creed right now. He is jamming out to some Creed. And a moment. Sounds like these two Harleys are like two like cats in heat. I'm on a motorcycle. Hey guys, go find his Instagram and tell him he needs to start wearing gloves and helmet and all the other gear. He's wearing a knee brace, but I don't think that's riding gear. That guy was showing you dominance. He dominated you. You gonna take that from him?
I'm gonna let him have it. I think he needs it.
I think he needs to be wearing gear, like gloves and helmet and some knee pads. I think what he really needs is a hug. Vroom, vroom. So many motorcycles. I didn't want to say anything until like I really figured it out, but I got you a good luck charm at the fair.
That's funny. That's disgusting.
It's better than a bell. Your bike needs some balls. It doesn't have any. Hate turn signals. 2020, guys. Pretty sure other companies have figured out how to do self-canceling turn signals. Come on, Triumph. Chop, chop. Get on it. Figure it out.